Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancy in finance domain for this week. Friends, first vacancy is from State Bank of India. Name of post is Customer Relationship Executive. Education qualification asked is graduation. Age limit is 35 years. It's upper age limit. Number of vacancies are 75 and all over India place of posting is there. Nature of employment is contractual and experience. They have not asked for any experience, but desirable is experience in documentation, requirement of financial product and good communication skill. Friends, here in education qualification they have asked the graduation, and they have also asked one more condition, that you should have a valid two-wheeler driving license. Then your package per annum is 2.5 to 4 lakh and mode of application is online, and you have to apply by 20th September 2022. Friends, next, before we move on to the next vacancy, I just like to inform you that we at Finance MCQ are offering couple of courses for your exam preparation. So if you have applied for any of these examination, that is SPMCIL, Airport Authority or GAIL India, you can avail the flat 100 rupees off on the purchase of any of these courses on the Finance MCQ website. Along with that, we are offering couple of more courses on the website, so go and check the website in detail. Then next vacancy is from Bharatiya Reserve Bank Note Mudran Private Limited. It's a subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India. Name of post is Assistant Manager Finance and Accounts. Education qualification is CA CMA. Age limit is 31 years. Number of vacancies are 6 and all over India is place of posting. It's a permanent vacancy and 1 year experience is asked for this. Here the per annum package is 20 lakh. Mode of application is offline and last date to apply is 8th October 2022. The next vacancy is from Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Name of post is Executive Trainee Finance. Friends, we have already launched a detailed video for this vacancy. You can also check that in detail. Here the education qualification asked is graduation with CA or CMA. Age limit is 29 years. Number of vacancies are 20 and place of posting is all over India. Here the nature of employment is permanent. Experience asked is nil and package per annum is 12 lakh. Here the mode of application is online and last date to apply is 4th October 2022. Next vacancy is from PFRDA. Here friend, the name of post is Officers Grade A Assistant Manager Finance and Accounts, and qualification asked is graduation and ACA or FCA from ICI or ACS or FCS from Company Institute or ACMA or FCMA from CMA Institute or FCA. Here the upper age limit is 30 years. Number of vacancies are just 2 and place of posting is all over India. Nature of employment is permanent. You don't need to have any experience. Here your per month pay scale will be in the range of 44,500 to 89,150. Mode of application is online and last date to apply is 7th October 2022. Friends, next vacancy is again from the same organization. Here the name of post is Officers Grade A Assistant Manager General Category. Here the education qualification asked is either a master's or bachelor's degree in law or engineer or either a chartered accountant or company secretary or cost and management accountant or CFA. Age limit is 30 years. Number of vacancies are 15. Again all over India postings. Nature of employment is permanent. Experience is nil. Per month scale will be 44,500 to 89,150 and last date and mode of application is same as that of previous vacancy. Friends, next vacancy is from Central Medical Service Society. Name of post is Assistant General Manager Finance. Here the education qualification asked is MBA Finance or CA or CMA. The upper age limit is 45 years. Number of vacancy is 1 and place of posting is New Delhi. Friends, it's a contractual post and here you need to have 6 years of experience, out of which 4 years in whole time capacity in finance and accounts department in central government, state government, PSU, PSB or autonomous bodies. Here per month salary will be 80,000. Mode of application is online and last date to apply is 20th October 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from National Handloom Development Corporation Limited. Here the name of post is Company Secretary and education qualification asked is Associate Company Secretaryship or Fellow Company Secretaryship. Here the desirable is degree in law with specialization in corporate law or CA, CMA or MBA. It's very strange for company secretary that desiring CA, CMA. Age limit is 40 years. Number of vacancy is 1. Place of posting is Noida. Nature of employment is permanent. Experienced hours is 8 years. Per month salary is rupees 79,750. Mode of application is online and last date to apply is 9th October 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from IIT Gandhinagar. Name of post is Junior Superintendent. Education qualification asked is either a postgraduate or graduation with minimum 55% marks. Upper age limit is 32 years. Total vacancies are 2 and place of posting will be Gandhinagar. Friends, these are permanent vacancies. Here you need to have 3 years of experience and 5 years for the candidate who are applying on the basis of graduation degree. Here the package per annum is 7 lakh per annum. Mode of application is online and last date to apply is 30th September 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from IIM Raipur. It's in finance and accounts officer post. Here the education qualification as the graduation with CA CMA degree. Upper age limit is 50 years. It's one vacancy and place of posting is Raipur. It's a permanent vacancy. Total experience as is 7 years and here your package will be 12 lakh. You have to apply online mode by 20th September 2022 and by offline 5th October 2022. Next vacancy is again from the same organization. Name of post is administrative assistant. Here the qualification asked is graduation. Upper age limit is 35 years. Total vacancies are 3 and place of posting again in Raipur. It's a permanent vacancy and you need to have a 2 years experience in hotel industry or autonomous industry, academic institute or PSUs. Here your package per annum will be 6 lakhs per annum and mode of application is online by 20th September and offline by 5th October 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from MSME Technology Center. Here the name of post is accounts officer and education qualification asked is graduation in commerce and preference will be given to postgraduate in commerce or CA, CMA or SAS candidates. Here the upper age limit is 32 years. Number of vacancies is 1 and place of posting will be in Himachal Pradesh. It's a contractual post and you need to have 3 years of experience and package per annum will be 7 lakh. You have to apply through offline mode and last date to apply is 10th October 2022. Friends, next vacancy is again from the same organization and the name of post is purchase officer. Here you need to be a graduate in commerce and preference will be given to postgraduate in commerce or diploma in that is material management or ERP or MBA. Here age limit is 32 years. It's a one vacancy and place of posting will be in Himachal Pradesh only. Nature of employment is contractual. You need to have 3 years of experience and package and last date to apply is same as that of previous vacancy. Friends, next vacancy is from MSME Technology Center Durg. Here the name of post is assistant manager admin and accounts. You need to be a commerce graduate or any graduate with low MBA, PGDM or CA, CMA or equivalent, then you are eligible. Upper age limit is 35 years. Number of vacancy is 1 and place of posting will be Chhattisgarh. It's a contractual post. You need to have 5 years of experience and you will get package of 12 lakh per annum. It's a offline vacancy and you have to apply by 30th September 2022. Friends, next vacancy is again from the same organization and name of post is purchase officer. Here you need to be graduate in commerce and preference will be given to postgraduate in commerce, diploma in material management, ERP and MBA. Here age limit is 32 years. Number of vacancy is 1 and place of posting is Chhattisgarh. Nature of employment is contractual. Experienced as is 3 years. Package is 7 lakh and mode of application is offline and you have to apply by 30th September 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from again MSME Technology Center Kochi. Here the post is assistant manager admin and accounts and other all details are same as that of previous 2 vacancies that we have informed for assistant manager admin and account. The next vacancy is from again MSME Technology Center Kochi. Here the name of post is stores officer. Education qualification asked is graduate in commerce. Preference will be given to postgraduate in commerce or diploma in material management. Age limit is 32 years. There is a 1 vacancy and place of posting will be Kerala. Nature of employment is contractual. Experienced asked is 3 years. Package and mode of application and last year is same as that of last vacancy. The next vacancy is from Artificial Limb Manufacturing Corporation of India. Name of post is officer accounts. Here the education qualification as is CA CMA and selection will be based on your score in your CA CMA. Age limit is 30 years. Number of vacancies are 2 and place of posting will be Bhubaneswar and Faridabad. It's a permanent vacancy. You don't need to have any experience and package per annum will be 8.9 lakhs. The mode of application is online and you have to apply by 20th September 2022. Friends, next vacancy is again from the same organization, but here the name of post is Junior Manager Accounts. Qualification asked is CA CMA. Upper age limit is 40 years. Number of vacancy is 1 and place of posting is Kanpur. It's a permanent vacancy and you need to have 5 years of experience, and package will be 12 lakh per annum. It's an online vacancy and you have to apply by 20th September 2022. Next vacancy is again from the same organization. Here the name of post is Assistant Manager Costing. You need to be either a CA or CMA. Upper age limit is 42 years. Number of vacancies are 1 and place of posting will be Kanpur only. It's a permanent vacancy and here you need to have 8 years of experience. Package per annum is 14.9 lakh and mode of application is online and you have to apply by 20th September 2022. Friends, next vacancy is again from the same organization. Here the name of post is Accountant. Qualification asked is graduation in commerce. Upper age limit is 34 years. Total 6 vacancies are there and here place of posting will be all over India. Nature of employment is permanent. You need to have 4 years of experience. Package per annum is 5.5 lakh. Mode of application is online and last date is 20th September 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. Name of post is Superintendent. Qualification asked is graduation with at least 2nd division. Age limit is 35 years. Number of vacancy is 1 and place of posting is Pune. Nature of employment is permanent and you need to have 4 years of experience in administrative, account, secretarial work, and preference will be given to junior supervisory post in government department, university, education or research institution. Package per annum is rupees 7.5 lakhs and mode of application is offline and you have to submit your application by 31st October 2022. Friends, next vacancy is from again same organization, Defense Institute of Advanced Technology. Name of post is Assistant. Education qualification asked is graduation with at least 2nd division and typing speed of 30 words per minute. Age limit is 28 years. Number of vacancies are 3 and place of posting in Pune. It's a permanent vacancy. You don't need to have any experience. Package per annum is rupees 6 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is offline and you have to apply by 31st October 2022. So that's it for this week, friend. I will see you next week for all the latest update in finance domain. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.